Wait, why is one ill, but also hana?
Are Koreans secretly running two different math systems?
Il, some hana, dul, set, net. Donnie, help me!
Wait, you're mixing two systems.
Because in Korean, both numbers exist, but they are used in different situations. Look at this. Il, sam, sa, o. You use these for things like money, math, phone numbers, and then the second system, hana, dual, set, net. You use these when counting everyday things.
Okay, let me try a Korean phone number.
Okay, try this one. 전화번호가 뭐예요?
Easy. It's Sam, Sa, O, 6, 7, 8.
이것은 얼마예요?
그것은 3달러예요.
Perfect. You sound like you're reading a secret code. All right, time for the second system quiz. 사과가 몇 개 있어요?
사과가 5개 있어요. Yes, I got them all right.
All right, genius. Let's see how long that lasts. Reading numbers, il, sum. Counting things, hana, dual, set. Now it's your turn. How would you say 6 apples in Korean? Leave your answers in the comments.